wanted to understand from you your first-hand experience of how your journey has went so far, and what is that you feel that has really worked for you.
Ma'am, actually, I'm from the background of a B pharmacy. I was searching for the jobs, ma'am. Even I was not so good at the studies also, and even the communication skills also was not so good. Even I know the basic grammar and all, but my communications, it was lagging me behind. So when I heard the name of the CLR, I got the information like what are the courses offered and how do they work in the future, how it is relevant to the pharmacy field also background. From there, ma'am, I started liking the CLR when I visited the Pormangla branch.
Nice.
Yeah, it was all so good, ma'am, and the fees part were also so good. Like it was like friendly, like economy friendly also for my parents also. And yeah, when it's come to the technical sessions now, actually, like I like the like I tutors and the non-technical sessions. She is the one, ma'am. I learned lot from her. Like she was training with my communication skills also, the grammar also, corporate etiquettes also, and even come with the professional English. Like I was so bad at my grammar things. Even when it comes to the placement support now, after I completed my course, like after the month, I contacted ma'am. Like, ma'am, I wanted to join the course placement group. Can I join like that? She gave me the permission. She added me to the groups, like 2 or 3 groups also, with a certain different domains. Okay, so they have learned how to like apply for the companies, and the CLR also taught me to how to build a LinkedIn profile. When I was talking with the ma'am, I remember still, she was like directing me. Your profile should be like this. So how it should be, how your profile picture should be like that. Yeah, I have learned a lot, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Punit. Future also, if you need an upgrade of a job or something, you feel that we can be helpful somewhere, we will certainly be with you.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, I will contact.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Have a great day, ma'am. Have a great day.
You too have a great day.